In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Confluence page private. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can view or edit a specific page, so your content stays confidential and only the right people can see it. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to make private. Make sure you're on the exact page that needs restricted access, not just the space home. If you don't see options to change permissions later, you might not have the right level of access, so you may need a page owner or administrator to help. Once the page is open, look for the lock icon or the page restrictions option. This usually appears near the top of the page in the toolbar or under a menu labeled More Actions. Clicking it opens the restrictions panel, which is where you'll control who can view and who can edit. In the restrictions panel, choose who can view or edit the page. Think of these as two separate gates. Viewing controls who can even open the page, and editing controls who can make changes. If your goal is true privacy, set viewing to only specific people or groups, and set editing to the smallest necessary set of editors. Keeping editing more limited also protects the content from accidental changes. Next, remove access for users or groups who should not see it. Carefully review the list of people and groups that already have access. You might see inherited permissions from the space or parent pages. If someone or a group doesn't need to be there, remove them. Be intentional here. Removing a broad group dramatically tightens access, which is what you want for privacy. Now add only the people who should have access. You can add individual teammates, or if your organization uses them, small purpose-built groups. Add viewers for those who just need to read, and add editors for those who must collaborate. Less is more. Adding only essential people minimizes risk and confusion. When everything looks correct, save the restrictions. Look for a save or apply button and confirm the changes. If you navigate away without saving, your adjustments won't take effect. Finally, check the page access to make sure it is private. Reopen the restrictions panel to confirm the viewer and editor lists reflect what you intended. If possible, verify from a non-privileged account or ask a colleague who shouldn't have access to confirm they can't see the page. A quick double check now prevents surprises later. That's it. Your Confluence page is now private and properly locked down.